Hi everyone, if you're looking to delete your Instagram account, you're at the right place. Let's get started. On your smartphone, open the Instagram app. Head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the lower right corner. Tap the three horizontal line in the top right corner. Now you'll see an option called Account Center. Tap on that. Scroll down a bit and find Personal Detail and tap on it. Then tap on Account Ownership and Control, and then choose Deactivation or Deletion. Select the Instagram account you want to delete. Now by default, Instagram select Deactivate Account option, switch it to Delete Account. Tap on Continue. Instagram will ask you for the reason you are leaving. Just pick any reason and tap on Continue. You'll need to enter your Instagram password to confirm the action. After entering your password, tap Continue one last time. And finally, hit the Delete Account button. Now just keep in mind, it takes Instagram up to 30 days to completely delete your account. During this time, your account will be invisible to others. After 30 days, your account and all your details like profile photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently erased from Instagram's database. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.